Hi, it's Sandra, and I want to do today July's giveaway. So for July, I'm going to give another 2 Maniology plates away, and I do have some coming from, I believe it's Lantern and Wren, but it's Creative Shop, the 2 plates that I ordered. So I will have some other plates coming in, but I've just kind of got stuck on Maniology, and I haven't seen anything new or anything that I really liked. So, and I know you guys really like Maniology plates, so I figured I'd just keep going with what goes good. So I am going to give away M379. And this is another one of those abstract ones. And I know some of you really like these, and I like them, but I'm not crazy about them. So when I ordered this one, I only ordered this one. So, but they're cool because you want something different. You got some different designs. I think it's good to have a genre of everything. And I do. I already have some of these, not this exact one, but, you know, so anyway, I'm giving this one away. And the second plate I'm going to give away is this one. And this is a new plate that I just got with the last haul. And this is Maniology M566. If you look this up on their website, it's like the China kind of looking, the really thin lined, where they did it in white and blue. And I think it's gorgeous. So you got these like little frames and these things you can stick in the frames. And it's just a real delicate pattern. And I think it's really pretty. So this, again, this is M566. And this one is M379. So those are the 2 plates that I'm going to give away this time. And don't forget that if you do order anything from Maniology, to please use my discount code. It gives you 10% off. It gives me a little commission so I can keep doing these giveaways. And the 10% discount code is NS10. You just put that on your order and you'll automatically get 10% off. So what I need you to do is put enter me in the comments. And you must be a subscriber. If I go to you and I look you up after I pick you and you're not a subscriber, then I just go on to the next person. So you've got to be a subscriber to win anything on my giveaways. Then what happens is the day that I end up picking the winner, that person will have to actually send me their address by email to nailstampology@gmail.com, and I will mail it out. Now, what I usually give people is you've got from the day that I announce it until I do the next giveaway to collect your giveaway stuff. If you don't, what happens is it just rolls over into the next giveaway. So this is July's giveaway. So good luck to everyone, and you must get your entry in by Friday, July 25th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you have to put enter me before that date and time, or you can't be in the giveaway. So that's July 25th. On July 25th, it stops after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there you have it. That's it. Just enter me, be a subscriber, and get it in before July 25th, and you can enter and we'll see who wins. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching my channel. Bye.